Hi guys, it's good morning. It is that time of the month. Good morning, guys. It is that time. I am finally at the end of my cycle, and I'm going to be testing for the first time using my ovulation kit. Now, I know you guys, some of you guys were saying that I should, oh, the baby's sleeping. Some of you guys were saying I should just do things the traditional way and not worry too much about, testing for ovulation and whatnot, get rid of like the pregnancy kit and TTC kit. But the reality is I only have, well, let's say I only have one tube, but that's not the full question, the full answer. Because I'm nursing, my cycle is kind of all over the place, and the whole point is if you're officially TTCing, it's important to try to catch the egg. So that's the whole point of getting the kit. It's not to stress yourself out. Not to say that some women may not get stressed out using it, but it's not to stress you out. It is for you to use it to help you determine just how close you are to, catching that egg. And it definitely helps with finding, it helps in determining when you're ovulating. So that's why I'm using it. It's important. I just realized that I'm like 3 days. I haven't, with all that's been going on, I haven't even been fully consistent in just watching everything. I am literally a day out or 2 days out after my cycle. It went by so fast, and yeah, I should be testing to see if I'm ovulating or see how close I am. I'm not too close. I'm not too highly familiar with these ovulation tests, but I'm going to figure it out, and I hope you guys can help me figure it out too. So I'm going to go ahead and test, stop talking, and I'll show you what it says. So this is my first live ovulation test. So this is what it's currently looking like. So I am nowhere near ovulation. I can see the line. I think that line is always the one that's there though. It's just a line that gets darker if you are actually ovulating. I think I may have dipped the stick in too long too. I thought last time it said 3 seconds, but you just dip it into the max and then I guess it just moves its way up. So that's what it is doing at the current moment. I think I need to double check the instructions, which I cannot find right now. Oh geez. But I thought, well, what did I do with the instructions? Immerse strips into urine, take the strip out. Okay, is that the pregnancy test one? No, ovulation test. Okay, so you just immerse the strip into the urine. Take the strip out after 5 seconds and lay the strip flat. Okay, I did that right. Okay, never mind. Never mind, I did it right. Yeah, so that's what it's looking like. Yeah, it's good that I did not miss my chances. So that is what I'm doing. I'm currently just going to keep checking. I'm going to check my test for ovulation daily, and I'm going to keep posting, and I'll let you guys know so you guys can see my progress and if and when, and I reach to where I reach. So, oh, yeah. Yeah, so that's going to be it, guys. I'm just doing my quick live ovulation test for you guys. And some of you, I think someone mentioned down below that they start testing between 10 to 16 days or something like that. I'm gonna basically start testing, I think, after, I don't know, it's short. Last time I wasn't nursing, so my body was, my body was just adjusted already to what it needed to do. However, right now, my hormones are all over the place because I am still breastfeeding. But last time I did test for ovulation close to the end of right around the time when the pregnancy app was telling me that I should be ovulating, but I realized that is way too late. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm trying to also get this thing down so I know what the heck I'm doing. So thank you guys for all your suggestions down below, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow's ovulation test live. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.